Good morning, everyone. This is lesson number 1, A Bell for the Cat, lecture number 6, page number 8. This was your learning at home, my dear friends. And what is the major question? Choose the correct word to fill in each blank, was your major question. And these are 3 questions, and these are your options. I hope you have solved at your home. So let's begin their answers now. My dad is 30 years old. My dad is 30 years old. My dad is dash dash than my uncle. What is correct answer? Older. This is comparison between two. When there is comparison, we have to use comparative degree. This is called older. My dad is older than my uncle. Now, 3. My grandpa is the dash dash member in our family. Okay, this is your grandpa. So he is oldest. He is oldest. My grandpa is the oldest member in our family. So now, this is the major question. Use the words in the box in place of the underlined words. So this is underline word. Okay, we have to use alternative for it, and the alternatives means options have been given here. Okay, so this is the statement, the cat makes no noise. And what is underlined? Makes no noise is underlined word or words. So the meaning of these underlined words is given here in one words. Okay, or in the phrases. We have to choose correct one and we have to write here in the second line. Okay, so let's begin. Number 1, the cat makes no noise. This is the statement. Makes no noise meaning similar meaning word is given here. So what is the cat makes no noise means? Cat doesn't make noise. It means it is quiet. Quiet, quiet. Okay. So the second statement in which we have to write down it. The cat is so, yeah, let's write. The cat is so quiet. 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 And full stop. The meaning of both the sentences is same. Just we are using alternative different word. Okay. It is also called one word substitution. The cat makes no noise. The cat is so quiet. The meaning is same. They were all very sad. The meaning of underlined word means meaning of sad. We have to find out. Quiet, hungry, meeting, unhappy. What is right, my dear friends? Sad means unhappy. Let's write then. They were all very unhappy. They were all very unhappy, dear friends. Now, number 3. The mice got together to talk. The mice got together to talk. Underline word, got together to talk. Let's find the similar meaning. Quiet, hungry, meeting. Do you think it is meeting? Yes, it is right. It's meeting. The mice had a meeting. Meeting means coming together. Meeting means gathering together. Got together to talk. Gathering together to talk is called meeting, dear friends. Number 4. The mice had to find a place to hide. The mice had to find a place to hide. Find a place to hide. It means quite hungry, meeting, unhappy, bell the cat, run for cover. Run for cover is there in the lesson. It means run for safety. Right? So run for cover is the correct option. The mice had to run for cover. They can save themselves with this thing. The cat always wanted something to eat. Wanted something to eat, quite hungry. It is hungry, my friends. The cat was always hungry. The cat wanted something to eat. Something to eat means when we are hungry, then only we want something to eat. Otherwise, not. The cat was always hungry, my dear friends. So, this is your learning at home. Use the words in the box in place of the underlined words. It is similar. Only 6 number question you have to solve at home. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.